In front of me is CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to change language on this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, go to System then, and now click on Languages and Input. Pick Languages again, and now select Add a Language. So you've just reached the list of languages, and you can smoothly pick the one that you would like to apply. Okay, so let me pick something that is definitely working here. Now slide up this new language to the first place to make it a default one, and as you can see, from now on you can smoothly use your device with this new language included. And this is it. Whenever you'd like to change it again, just open languages one more time, remove unnecessary languages, and then select another one if you want to, or just stay the way it is. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.